We got facelift parts. Well, I was down the scrapyard and bumped into these lovely little beauties. So we're going to chuck the facelift rear lights in place of the standard rear lights and make the Rowdy look a little bit prettier. So first up, we want to get access to the rear lights. That won't put that properly. And there we have the back of the light unit. Now I'm going to show you the screws on the lamp that ain't in the car, because it's just easier. So you've got 4 bolts and a connector. So I put a little bit of downward pressure on the connector and then just pop it out on both sides. I like to fight you, but give it the magic wiggle. Out it comes. So, I've got the old light out. Woohoo! And before you chuck the new one in, change the bulbs over if you want to change the bulbs. This one uses an orange indicator bulb, obviously, because I've got a clear lens there now, whereas the old one uses a see-through, a white colour bulb, see-through. And the 2 different types of bulbs have different type of fitting in the back of them, so you can't interchange between the 2. You can't just put an orange bulb in the old bulb holder because it won't fit in there. So you need the back plates from the correct style of light. So that's worth knowing. If you're going to the scrapyard, you need all of the lights. Tool wise, small flat blade screwdriver for getting your little connector tabs off. Got a 1/4 inch because it's easy to get in there. Having said that, I used my 1/2 inch ratchet at the scrapyard because that's the only 8mm I had. And 8mm. Oh yeah. Look how good it looks. Yeah, she gonna look fresh. Mate, that was literally 15 minutes, even with all the messing around and checking they all work. Look how much better it looks. Just look how much better that looks. Anyway, we got facelift front lights coming up, and we've got a showy bonnet, more showy than this bonnet, all coming up. Make sure you subscribe so you get notified when it comes out. Until next time, peace.